DataGeo is a classic geometry software where you can design interactive sketch with the mouse. Then you can interactively transform this sketch according to the properties of the defined sketch. But DataGeo is more. You can also define sketch with code, with Smalltalk code currently. This means that you will be able to use variable, loop, test, and all the things you can do with programming to define your sketch. So you can define recursive sketch. You can even do animation. So the example I will show you is about animation. Okay, let's suppose we already have this code to define uh, with the Smalltalk instruction your sketch. So we will take it from this classic text editor, then we will copy it in DataGeo. So in DataGeo you will use a special tool, advanced tools, in the tools menu. You will find it in the background menu of the DataGeo environment. This is the workspace. A workspace is a text editor for programming. So this means that you can execute code from there. But moreover, you have a special feature like color syntaxing. Uh, you can guess about the class and the messages you want to use. In this example, we will do a small animation. So about the idea is to shoot for random value for 10,000 times, then to see the distribution of this random value. And of course, we will get a Gauss curve. First, we define four variable. The first variable points is an array. It will contain 12 point, geometric point. Next, we have an array for statistical computation. In each of these cells, we will put the frequency of the shot, of the random shot. So the first, these instructions are pure Smalltalk. Next, we go on DuckDuckGeo related code. This instruction is to ask for an interactive canvas. So this is the place where we draw the geometric object. We ask this canvas to be full screen. We ask for the scale to 13. We center the canvas to this coordinate. Then we ask for the grid. You can see that all these messages are separated with comma. Next, we do a small iteration to create the geometric point. This is this instruction. We put them in the array. Next, we set the attribute of the point, like square and the color. Then we ask for the segment, geometric segment, and there will be vertical segments. On the edge of the canvas will be related to the frequencies of the random shots. We set this canvas to red. Next, we do in the canvas, we do this block of code. This is a very special one because this block of code is executed in a forked process. This means in a random. It's not a random. It's a background task. So we ask for 10,000 shots. We ask for random value. Then we fill the stats array. Okay, we increment 1 when we get this value. Then we move the point, the extremity of the segment. We rename it according to the statistic. Then we move the position to the new one. Then we ask for a canvas update. Well, at the end of we rename the name of the point to the percentage. So let's execute this code. So to do that, we select all with the mouse, or we can do with the keyboard Control A, and we can execute it with a do it, or with the keyboard we can do Control D. So the canvas is created. This is done in the background. So this means that I can move around there, or I can just change the position of the canvas. It was not very good. I can resize it as well, of course. Okay, this is a bit slow because of the video recording, of course. Then when all the shots are done, okay, now I get the percentage. Though this was done by this last instruction. So not only you can have interactive sketch, but moreover you can animate the creation or even the computation of the whole sketch. So this brings an additional value for the learner to see the progress on this statistical example. That's all.